Welcome back to homezonline. Today we are going to show you a stunning home tour. It is a new home exterior design. This opulent home has 4 bedrooms. Let's check the interior and exterior. The exterior work is done very uniquely. Beautiful caddies used to decorate most area of the exterior wall. Spacious porch is designed at the right side of the home. Lanyard set up with concrete blocks and green lawn. Vast spaced open sit-out is designed here. Seating arrangements are adding charm to the sit-out. As we step inside, we are greeted by a stylishly furnished and beautifully designed sitting room. The color combination used in this area gives an attractive look. Stylish furniture is used here and it gives sleek look to the living area. Ceiling work simply done with wooden material. Moving on, we are entering the alluring family living area. All arrangements are eye-catching. The design of the TV unit is pretty appealing. This area is enhanced by the ceiling design. More hanging lights are used here. Now we entering the most beautiful part of this home, the prepossessing courtyard area. Here arranged chairs and wooden swing for perfect gathering and relaxing. Totally this area designed as pretty as a picture. This is the prayer area. Sofa set and a wooden wardrobe are arranged here. There is provided a common toilet. We will inspect the kitchen next. This kitchen is tidy and has beautiful setups. It is a spacious kitchen with all modern facilities. A small breakfast table set up here. Wooden color cabinets and wall tiling go well together. Fireplace and washing area arranged neatly. Here we get a beautifully designed washing area with 2 golden color basin, mirror and storage cabin. Next, we are moving to the elegantly designed dining area. Stylish table set used in this area. Concrete steps and wooden framed glass railings are used to design the stairwell. Ceiling along with hanging lights also increase the beauty of this area. Next, we will inspect the bedroom. 2 amazing bedrooms are designed in ground floor. This is first bedroom with double cot bed, wooden wardrobe and curtains. This bedroom also includes a bathroom with modern amenities. The second bedroom is this. It is spacious bedroom with all beautiful settings. A double cot bed, wooden wardrobe and lovely curtains are included in this bedroom. Large-sized glass windows are used here. There is also set a cute study area. This bedroom also has an adjacent bathroom. The first floor will be checked next. Here we can see a spacious hall area. The upper living area has been brilliantly designed. The elegant sofa set and TV unit are set up here. This is the balcony area. Here we get a beautiful view from the courtyard. Third bedroom is this one. It is a nicely made bedroom and the design of cot, closet, study table and other settings are exquisite. This bedroom also has an attached bathroom. This is the last bedroom. This is almost same as the second bedroom. The arrangements of curtains, cot and wardrobes are delightfully coordinated. This bedroom has an adjoining bathroom. Now we completely check this stunning home design. If you like this home tour, please share your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.